Dr. Moein. Today we're doing a reduction mammoplasty and a breast lift operation. This operation is one of my favorite operations because it restores a woman's body after they have given childbirth, and it really is amazing because you can combine it with a tummy tuck and do what's called a mommy makeover. So we have just completed the breast marking, and what we're going to do, the nipples are over here. We're going to move the nipples over here, and then we're going to get rid of all this excess tissue down over here. And you can see how nicely this is going to give form to the breast, like this. All right. Thank you. So we have just completed a breast reduction lift operation on a lovely lady who is 30 years old, mother of 2, and she was very unhappy with her large breast, and it was sagging. We reduced it by 300 cc's on each side, and it's now much better position, much lifted, and you can see the pre-op pictures and the final results. Thank you for joining us.